Alright everybody, welcome back. Before we get started, I always say this at the end, but a lot of people don't finish to the end, so understand that there is a link in the video description below that will take you to the website where you can get prices and options on these kits and all others. If there's something you don't see, message me. Chances are I can custom build it for you. Alright, so this is a 3-ring, 3-row kit for Rupert up in Illinois, and this is one of the kits I've been behind on because of tax time. So finally got all this stuff done. I'm almost caught up. We're back to normal workflow anyway. Never really caught up, but just want to show these off real quick. So we're gonna do our temporary power thing. Here we go. So this module is set up for these rings, but you can expand on all of these kits. You know, your eyebrow kits, your hood kits, your underbody, your interior, your exterior, your side body. You know, you can mix and match, you know, whatever you want, but they're fully expandable. They're all under one controller, and that's the cool thing about it. So no multiple apps, no multiple controllers. It really makes everything easy. These also have, and I have them on the website, a switch relay harness. So if you don't want to disconnect power at the controller, I have a harness that is all plug and play. It interconnects with everything I've got. I got another video on that. And so again, it's all plug and play. You connect your ground wires, your power wires, and that's it. Everything else plugs up to your existing setup. And that gives you a switch that you can put up front on your vehicle, so that you can turn them off with a switch. So anyway, check out the website. I really appreciate you guys following and supporting, and I'll see you on the next video.